So here it is. Right here, this is the 80mm or 3 and 5/30 seconds. So it comes in the 2 pieces right here, and you put this one in here and you spin it around. And that's it. There's what it looks like on the inside. And then I have my drill right here. Looks like we need to get it a little wider. Nice and wide. Nope, not wide enough. There we go. And there it is. Works like a charm. And the quality is impeccable. It's great. Fits in there really well, and we've used it a few times so far. We don't have a ton of projects that we need it for, but I like that we have this one, so that we need it. It's here, right there, really good quality.